Before starting the video, first listen to a couple of essential points shared by Dr. Mufti Munir Ahmad Akun Sir regarding the wazif and du'as. Understanding these points will be greatly beneficial for you, InshaAllah.
Alhamdulillah wahda, wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'da, amma ba'd. The supplications and wazaif, spiritual practices I share generally have open permission. It is not necessary to grant specific permission to any individual. Even if I have given permission to one person, everyone who hears it automatically has my heartfelt consent. They too can practice these wazaif if their issue is similar to the one that someone has asked me about online, and there is absolutely no harm in doing so.
Assalamu alaikum, Mufti Sahab. I am facing a issue with itching, something I have never experienced before. For the past few days, my skin has been encountering problems, especially on my face. The itching is so intense that wherever it occurs, patches form on the skin. These patches appear wherever I scratch on my back, forehead, and other areas. Gradually, this issue has started affecting my hands as well. I have tried various creams, olive oil, and other remedies, but nothing has worked significantly. This problem persists all the time, but becomes worse when I am doing kitchen work. I am extremely distressed, so please suggest a solution for this issue.
This is an important question and many people face similar issues. For this, take a bottle that can hold approximately 9 glasses of water. Add 8 glasses of water and 1 glass of rose water to this, making a total of 9 glasses of water. Now note down what needs to be recited over the water. Recite Surah Bayina once. After Surah Bayina, recite Surah Fatiha 7 times. Recite Darood Sharif 11 times in the beginning and at the end. After reciting, blow over the water in the bottle. Drink this water throughout the day and finish it by night. The next day, refill the bottle with fresh water and rose water and repeat the process. Continue this practice consistently for 41 days. InshaAllah, you will find that all skin-related issues and itching will completely disappear. This is a highly effective and miraculous remedy. I also pray from the depths of my heart that Allah grants you relief from this problem. Understand another important matter. When it is mentioned to blow on water or any object after reciting wazifa supplications, it is not simply blowing air but rather performing dam. In dam, it is not about just blowing, instead it involves tadhkar. Remember this distinction. Many people fall into doubt thinking that the hadith discourages blowing into consumable items, labeling it as makruh, undesirable, while someone might be seen blowing on water after reciting. However, this is not ordinary blowing, it is tadhkar. After completing the recitation of wazifa, one softly exhales by saying, not forcefully but gently. The concept of tadhkar is that the blessings generated in your mouth and saliva through the recitation of wazifa are transferred into the water through the soft exhalation. A few drops of blessed saliva mix into the water, making it spiritually enriched. That water is then given to the patient to drink, and it becomes a source of healing. This process is called tadhkar. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, would perform tadhkar on consumables. In this way, that is why it is mentioned in hadith that during that time, little girls in Medina would stand outside Masjid Nabawi holding bowls or cups of water. As worshippers passed by, they would perform tadhkar on the water for blessings. This water was then used for its spiritual benefits. However, simply blowing air like is purposeless because it lacks the effect of recitation or remembrance of Allah. Such blowing carries no spiritual benefit.
Hazrat, I have a question. Many people act upon the wazifa prescribed by you. However, they believe that as soon as they complete the wazifa, its effect should immediately manifest and their problem should be resolved. Should this really happen, or should they exercise patience and wait?
Yes, this is a good question. Both situations are possible. Sometimes, as soon as a person begins to act upon the wazifa, the effect from Allah starts immediately. On the other hand, sometimes after completing the wazifa, if there is no visible effect, one should wait for a few days, at least 3 days. If there is no effect within 3 days, they should wait up to 9 days. It is mentioned that one should wait up to 21 days for the effect to manifest. The reason is that when we start acting upon wazifa, the effect is not immediately visible because our soul contains impurities. These wazifa, being Allah's words, first purify our inner impurities. Once the impurities are removed and the person continues acting upon the wazifa, now Allah's mercy begins to descend upon the purified soul. It is similar to cleaning a dirty piece of cloth. First, the dirt is removed, then it shines. Once it is washed, dried, and shines, perfume is sprayed on it. Sometimes people become disheartened and say, I am acting upon the wazifa, but I see no results. In reality, the results are not visible because the wazifa are purifying the inner impurities. Once the soul becomes pure, Allah's mercy and the effect of the wazifa start to manifest. Some people have greater impurities, so even 41 days are not enough to purify them. Such individuals are advised to continue the wazifa for another 41 days to ensure complete purification. Once the impurities are cleansed, Allah's mercy will descend and the problem will be resolved, inshallah. And therefore one should wait. If the effect is not visible, they should repeat the wazifa or wait. Wait at least 21 days, then the result will become apparent, inshallah.
Thank you very much. If you also want Mufti Sahab to provide solutions to any of your life's problems, please share your issue in the comments below. InshaAllah, we will bring a new video addressing your concerns and presenting solutions as soon as possible.
Click subscribe below, hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos.